Welcome to My Skills My Future. In this live session, we are going to discuss some of the aptitude and reasoning questions which are asked in RRB Group D, previous year question paper, which was held on 18th September 2022 in shift 2. 18th September 2022 in shift 1, in a shift 1 paper. Right. See the question here. In a certain code language, GLEPK is written as DIBMH, and QRYHN is written as NOVEK. So in certain code language, so they written GLEPK as DIBMH and QRYHN as NOVEK. How will Porter POTER be written in that language? If you see that here, they given the word GLEPK is written as DIBMH. If you see that, what is the difference from G to D? Here G is there, here G is there, and what is the difference from G to D? Here we have -3, -3, and if you see that L to I, L is there, L to I, so here also we have -3, and E to B, here E is there and here B is there, so here also -3, so P -3M, P is there here, so P -3 we get M, so K -3 we get H, so K -3, so we get H. So G -3, L -3, E -3, P -3, K -3, we get DIBMH. So similarly, we can see the next word is written in the same language or not. So see the next word, Q R Y H N. If you see that Q -3, they written in the language NOVEK. So Q -3 we get N. See here, Q -3, so we get N. So R -3 we get O, R -3 we get O. Y -3, so Y -3 we get V. So H -3 we get E, N -3 we get K. So how will Porter is written as? How will Porter POTER? So already if you see that we have the letters, some of the alphabets in the given that. So here P is there, So already no need to write check. So in the place of P we get M, and O minus 3 we get L. So O is here, so O and M L. O minus 3 we get L. O minus 3 we get L. So minus 3 minus 3, T minus 3, here T is there, okay. So T minus 3, so we get Q. So T minus 3 we get Q. So E minus 3 we get B, already is there. R minus 3 we get O, okay. R minus 3, or minus 3 we get O, okay. So what is the correct option? See the option, which option will satisfies the condition, okay. See the option, once see the option. Okay, which option is correct? MLQBO, option 3 is correct, okay. MLQBO, option 3 is correct, okay. Option 3 is correct, okay. Right, next question. Shall we move to the next question? Yes. So simple question is given. So 5 cube into 5 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 2. So a power m into a power n we can write as a power m plus n. Similar way, so 5 cube multiple 5 power 4 multiple 5 power 2. So simply add the powers, okay, you get the answer. So 5 power 9, option 1 is correct, okay. Right, next question. Right, see the question here. If three numbers are in the ratio 5:2, if the three numbers are in the ratio 5:6:8, okay, and the sum of their squares is, and the sum of their squares is 1250, then the product of those numbers is, then the product of those numbers is. So they are given the sum of their squares, they are given the sum of their squares. So let the numbers are, let the numbers are, let the numbers are, let the numbers are, so 5x, 6x and 8x. So the sum of the squares of these numbers is 1250. The sum of the squares of these numbers is 1250. So 5x square plus 6x square plus 8x square, which is equal to 1250. So 5x square is 25x square plus 6x square is 36x square plus 8x square is 64x square, which is equal to 250. So if we add 25x square plus 36x square plus 64x square, we get 125x square, okay. So 125x square is equal to 1250. So x square is equal to 10. So x is equal to root 10, okay. X is equal to root 10, okay. So what they are asking, what is the question? Then the product of those numbers, then the product of those numbers. So we need to product 5x into 6x into 8x, which is equal to, okay, we need to find 5x product of those numbers. So 5 into x is equal to root 10, 6 into 5 root 10 into 6 root 10 into 8 root 10. So, if you see that 5, okay, 5 into 6 we get 30, 30 into 8 we get 240, okay. So, 240 root 10 into root 10 we get 10 and only root 10 is there, okay. So, 240 into 10 we get 2400 root 10, okay, 2400 root 10, okay. If you see that here 5 6 30, 38 is 240 and here root 10 we can write like 10. So, 240 into 10 we get 2400 and 1 root 10 is there. So, 2400 root 10. Option 3 is correct. Option 3 is correct. Okay. Right. Next question. The question is from syllogisms. Here this given the statements, conclusions. So, which option will satisfy the according to the statements and conclusions? Okay. See that here all couriers or shipments. Okay. So, see here all couriers or shipments, all couriers or shipments, all shipments or transports, all shipments or transports, okay. So, no haul is transport, so there is no relation between haul and transport, okay. So, what are the conclusions are given? No transport is shipment, okay. So, here if you see that some transport or shipment, if you see that all couriers or shipments, all shipments or transports, we can write or couriers also transport, okay. Some transports or shipment, some shipment or couriers. If you see that they given here the conclusion, see here the conclusion, no transport is shipment, no, some transport or shipment, some transport or shipment. So, conclusion 1 does not follows, okay. See the conclusion 2, all couriers or transport, yes, all couriers or transport, okay, right. Some transports or shipment, some transports or shipment, okay. See that by seeing the Venn diagram, we can say some transport or shipment, some shipment or couriers, okay. So, here some transport or shipment, yes, it follows, it follows. So, no courier is haul, yes, no courier is haul, no shipment is haul, no transport is haul, okay, yes, this follows, okay. So, option 1, see the option 1, only 2, 3, 4 follows, yes, option 1 itself correct, okay, only 2, 3, 4 follows, okay. See the here conclusion 1, once see the conclusion 1 here, no transport is shipment is false, why? Because some transports or shipment, according see the Venn diagram here, some transport is shipment, okay, right. Next term, right. See the question here, the value of root 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta is, the value of root 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So, see here they given root 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta is equal to. So, we have the formula, general formula, we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So, if you see that 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. So, cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So, see that they given 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So, just multiply with, so 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta, just multiply with 1 minus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. So, here we get 1 minus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta is equal to 1. If you see that here, we can write like this. We can write like this. So, 1 minus cos theta square by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So, we can write, so 1 minus cos theta whole square, okay, by sin square theta, okay. So, 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos square theta is equal, 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta is equal to nothing but sin square theta. So, square root get cancelled, we can write 1 minus cos theta by sin theta, okay. So, 1 by sin theta minus, okay, cos theta by sin theta. So, 1 by sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta. So, 1 by sin theta, which is equal to cosecant theta, okay, minus cos theta by sin theta is equal to cot theta. So, see the option, cosecant theta minus cot theta, option 2 is correct, okay, option 2 is correct, okay. So, only need to remember the basic formulas to solve these type of questions, okay, right, okay. Is there any doubt? Right, next. See the question here. The question is from ages. So, we can see at least one question from ages from RRB group D. Okay. If you see that my father is 25 years older than me. So, my father is 25 years older than me. The sum of our ages 5 years ago is 39 years. Find my present age. My father is 25 years older than me. So, let us take his present age, okay. His present age be x. Then according to his father age, according to the father's present age, so his father is 25 years older than his, okay. So, my age is x, then my father age is x plus 25, okay. So, the sum of our ages 5 years ago. So, this is the my present age and this is the my father's present age. So, the sum of our ages 5 years ago. So, my age is 5 years ago means 5x minus 5 is the my age 5 years ago, and my father's age 5 years ago is x plus 25 minus 5, okay. So, this is the age of mine 5 years ago, this is the age of my father 5 years ago, okay. So, the sum of the ages of my and my father age 5 years ago is 39 years, okay. So, if you see that we get x minus 5 plus x plus 20. So, we can simply write like this. So, x 2x, so x plus x 2x, so minus 10 we get plus 15, which is equal to 39. So, 2x is equal to sorry, 2x is equal to 39 minus 15, we get 24. Okay, so x is equal to 12. X is equal to 12. So what is the value of x? X is the present age of mine. X is the present age of mine. Okay, so what is the question? What is my present age? So that is nothing but 12 years. So present age is 12 years. Option 3 is correct. Option 3 is correct. Option 3 is correct. Okay, right. Next question. See the question here carefully. Select the option that is related to the fifth number in the same way as the second number is related to the first number and the fourth number is related to the third number. If you see that here they given 11 is to 130 as 7 is to 58 as 15 is to something. We need to find what will come in the place of question mark. Okay, right. If you see that here carefully, so 11 square plus 9. So 11 square, so what is the value of 11 square? 121. So plus 9, you get 130. So 11 square plus 9. So what is the number? Whatever the number is there, square and sum with 9. Okay, here also same logic is there. 7 square plus 9. So 7 square is 49 plus 9, we get 58. And similarly, if you see that here 15 square plus 9, 15 square is 225 plus 9, you get 234. Here we get 234. Okay, so number square and add with 9, we get the respective second number. Okay, so 225 plus 9, here the 9 is there. 225 plus 9, we get 234. Option 2 is correct. Okay, option 2 is correct. Next question. See the question here. Okay. Among 6 friends, PQ, among 6 friends, PQ or ST and U, each one has different weight. Each one has a different weight. The weight of Q is more than only 2 other persons. Okay, so they given different 6 persons, that I am writing like this: 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, he see that here the weight of Q is more than only 2 other persons. So I will take that, I am taking here greater than. Okay, so why? Because they are giving less than or equal to values. So right, see here, take here like this. So first person, different weights, they are all different weights, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as 6. Okay, see that here the weight of Q is, here Q is there, the weight of Q is more than only 2 other persons. So if you see that here, we can write 2 and we can write Q here. Why? Because Q is more than only 2 other persons. Okay, right. The weight of P is more than U's weight. Okay, the weight, you can write separately, the weight of P is more than U. The weight of P is more than U. the weight of S is, see here, the weight of S is more than Q's weight. The weight of S is more than Q's weight. So, S will come here, whatever. Okay. And next, the weight of R is less than, here, the weight of R is less than the weight of T. Okay. So, R is less than T, we can write like this, T is greater than R, whatever, okay, is equal to. Okay. So, the weight of R is less than T means T is greater than R. Okay. The weight of Q is, see here, the weight of Q is more than the weight of T. Okay. The weight of T, okay, Q, see here, the weight of Q is more than the weight of T. So, here we can write T here. We have, why? Because Q is greater than T and T is greater than R is there here. Okay, T is greater than R. So, only two persons have less than the weight of Q, means we can write T here, we can write R here. Okay, are understood? Why I am writing T here means only two persons are less than Q, here they given. So, Q is more than, okay, so Q is more than only two other persons. Okay. So, here one information is there, we have R is less than T, means T is greater than R, and T, and if you see that Q is greater than T. Okay. So, Q is greater than T, T is greater than R. Okay, we get. And see that U has the, here, U has the second highest weight. U has the second highest weight among all the 6 persons. So, here first weight, so we can write U is here. Okay. U has the second highest weight. If you see that here one information is there, P is greater than U. So, we can write P is here. Only one person is pending, that is S, and they given S is greater than Q. Yes, if we allot S here, we can see that S is greater than Q. So, this is the different weight of P, Q, R, S, T and U. Okay. See the question, what is the question? Who is the third highest weight among all 6 persons? Who is the third highest weight among all 6 persons? That is S. Okay. So, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, S is the third highest weight person among 6 persons. Option 1 is correct. Option 1 is correct. Okay. Next question. Okay. See the question here. A, B, C, D. Okay. A, B, C, D, E and F are 6 friends. Okay. Here. A, B, C, D and F are 6 friends playing game around a circular table. Okay, around a circular table. They are standing facing center of the table. Okay. So, if you see that, this is the circular. So, how many friends? 6 friends. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 friends. Okay. Okay, right, 6 friends are there. E was standing to the immediate left of A. E was standing immediate left of A. So, wherever you can write E here, suppose I am writing E here. Okay. So, E was immediate left of A, here A is there. Okay. So, why? Because they are facing towards the center, they are facing towards the center. Okay, they are facing towards the center. And see the next information here. C was the second left of F, here they get. C was second left C was second to the left of F. Okay, if C is there here, okay, like this. C was the second left of F. Okay, here first left is there, second left is there. And see here, there were exactly two people between D and A. Exactly two people between D and A. A is here. There are only two people between D and A. A is there. Suppose you see that here one person, here one person. If you write D here, so only two persons are there in the left side. Yes, only position is vacant for D is here. No other option is there. Okay, so there are exactly two persons between D and A. Okay, so and next see that B was the immediate right of A. So immediate left is E and immediate right is B. Okay, right. And see that, so only two positions is pending is there, and we need to write fill that positions with the C or F. Okay, if you see that, if you write here F, there is no possibility to write C. Why? Because C is the second to the left of F. So we can write F is here. So C is the second to the left of F. So write S. So this is the seating arrangement they are playing the game. Okay, right. See the question here. Which friend was at the immediate right of F? Immediate right of F. So here F is there. Immediate right means E is there. Immediate right means E is there. Option 1 is correct. Suppose immediate left is D is there. So here they are asking immediate right. Here they are asking immediate right. Okay, they are asking immediate right. Immediate right is E is there. Okay, right. Next question. Right, they given proportional values like this. 9 is to 12 proportionate as 12 is to X, and 28 is to 42 proportionate as 42 is to Y. We need to find 2x plus y. So see that here 9 by 12 which is equal to 12 by x, and we can write x is equal to 12 into 12 by 9. So x is equal to 144 by 9, 9 ones, 9 sixteens. So x is equal to 16. Okay, x is equal to 16. And if you see that here they given 28 by 42 which is equal to 42 by y. Okay, are you getting? Right. So y is equal to 42 into 42 by 28. Okay, if you see that here we get which table is common here, 7. Okay, right. 7 fourths. Okay, and if you see that here 7 6, 4 ones, 4 13s. Okay, right. Right, once again see here. So y is equal to, see that y is equal to, so 42 into 42 by 28. Okay, so if you see that we can cancel with the help of two table also, 2 ones, 2 fours, 2 21s. Okay, and if you see that here 14 ones, sorry 14 ones, 14 ones, 14 threes. So 21 into 3. Okay, right, 63 is there. Okay, see that y is equal to 63. So they are asking 2x plus y. So 2 into 16, 32 plus 63. So 32 plus 63, we get 95. So option 2 is correct. Option 2 is correct. Okay, right. Next, see the question. The position of how many letters will remain unchanged? Okay, the position of how many letters remain unchanged if each of letters in the word lament is arranged in alphabetical order. So L, A, M, E, N, T. So if you need arranged alphabetical order, A, okay, A, B, C, D, E, okay, E, L, M, N, and last letter T. Okay, so these here we have the letters L, A, M, E, N, T. So first letter is A, okay, and second letter here according to the alphabetical order E, and here according to alphabetical order third letter, fourth letter, and fifth letter. So what is the question? How many letters will remain unchanged? If you see that all these letters are changed, these two letters are unchanged. Okay, two letters are unchanged. Option 2 is correct. Okay, option 2 is correct. Okay, right. Next question. See the question. If the difference between two numbers is 52, they given the difference between two numbers is 52 and they are in the ratio, the numbers are in the ratio 7:3. Okay, then they find the greater of the two numbers. So let us take the two numbers are 7x comma 3x. Okay, and they given the difference between the two numbers. The difference between the two numbers is 4x, which is equal to 52, which is equal to 52. So x is equal to 52 by 4. So x is equal to 4 1s 4 3s. X is equal to 13. X is equal to 13. So 7 into 13 one number, 3 into 13 another number. 7 into 13 we get 91. 3 into 13 we get 39. Okay, so these are the numbers. And what is the question? What is the greater number? 91 is the greater number. So what is the difference? 91 minus 39 we get the number. So here we get 52. Okay, yes. So what is the bigger number is 91. Next question. See the question here. Anita is standing facing the north direction. So first of all, see the directions here. So north, east, west, north, south. Okay. So Anita is standing in the north direction. So this is the position of Anita. Okay, right, this is the position of Anita. Okay, right. And see that here Anita is facing towards north direction. She is facing north direction. Okay, she is facing north direction. Then she turns 135 degrees anti-clockwise. So you see here, first of all I will write like this. Okay, Wait 1 second. Right. So, they are given okay. So, Anita is facing towards north direction. Okay. So, this is the direction of Anita. And see that then she turns 135 anti-clockwise. So, here to here we have 90 degrees and she moved like this. Okay. So, okay. So, here to here we have 135 degrees. Here to here we have 135 degrees. 135 degrees. Okay. Right. Here to here. Okay. Right. And see that after that she turns 90 degrees clockwise. So, here to here we have 45, here to here we have 45 and she turned 90 degrees. Okay. So, 90 degrees means like this, 90 degrees. Okay. Right. Okay. And in which direction she is facing now? So, here west is there. So, northwest is facing. Okay. Northwest is facing. So, see that here once again I will clearly explain here. She is facing north direction. She moves 135 means she come like this. She is in that direction here and then after she moves 90 degrees. Okay. So, here is the northwest direction she is facing. Northwest direction. Option 1 is correct. Option 1 is correct. Okay. Next question. Right. See the question here. How many letters will remain unchanged if each of the letters in the word direct is arranged in alphabetical order? Just now we seen the question which is similar to this question. How many such questions? So, A, B, C is there, D is there, E is there, F, I is there, okay, R is there, T is there. So, only one letter, only one alphabetical does not change. Okay, 1. Option 3 is correct. Okay, option 3 is correct. Next, see the question carefully here. If you see the questions look like a very big, large question, but it is very simple question. Okay, see that question. By looking itself, it look like it is a difficult question. No, just once looking in the question, you can easily answer the question correctly. Okay, right. See the question. 8 friends, Kirti, Durga, Manasi, Surya, Tahira, Vriti, Ahana, Yoshita are sitting around a square table. Around a square table. Around a square table. Okay, right. So, see that in such a way that 4 friends are sitting corners of the table while other 4 are sitting at exact center of the table. So, means so here 4 friends are sitting exact middle of the table and other 4 are sitting corners of the table. Okay, and all are facing center of the table. All are facing center of the table. All are facing a center of the table. Okay, right. And see the question here. Surya is sitting at 3rd place to the right of Durga. Surya is sitting at 3rd place to the right of Durga. Suppose I am taking Durga is here. Okay, Durga is here. Surya is 3rd. Okay, 3rd place to the right of Durga. So, this is the 1st place to the right of Durga, 2nd place, this is the 3rd place. I am writing Surya. Surya is 3rd place to the right of Durga. Okay, why? Because all of these are facing towards the center of the table. Only, see that here, only Tahira is between Kirti and Durga. Okay, only Tahira, we can write like this. If you write Durga here, here Tahira is there, and here we can write Kirti. So, or we can write like this, here Kirti is there, here Tahira is there, here Durga is there. We have two possibilities. We have two possibilities for this. Okay, Manasa is second to the left of Durga. Okay, Manasa is second to the left of Durga. This is the first left of Durga, this is the second left of Durga. So, Manasi is the second left of Durga. Okay, so Manasi is the second to the left of Durga. Only Vritti is sitting between Surya and Yoshita. Only Vritti. So, between Surya and Yoshita. Which person is sitting between Surya and Yoshita is Vritti. So, here also we get two possibilities, that is Yoshita, Vritti, Surya. We have two possibilities for this statement also. Okay, right. Next, see that Yoshita is second to the left of Ahana. Okay, Yoshita is the second to the left of Ahana. Vritti, so we can just remember this point here. Just remember this point. Okay, so Vritti is second to the left of Manasi. So Vritti is second to the left of, this is the first left of Manasi, this is the second left of. So here Vritti is there, and see that here Vritti is between Surya and Yoshita. So you can, here Surya is there, here Vritti is there, you can write here Yoshita. Okay, and see that here Yoshita is second to the left of Ahana. Okay, Yoshita is second to the left of Ahana. So here Yoshita is Ahana is there. Ahana. Okay, and next see that only two persons is pending, that is Tahira and Kirti. Okay, see that here one information is there. Tahira is between Kirti and Durga. So we can write here Tahira and we can write here Kirti. Okay, so I hope you are understood. The question is somewhat lengthy, but if you practice these type of reasoning questions like seating arrangement, okay, you can able to answer correct answer in the examination. Okay, right. See here, what is the question? Who is sitting? Who is sitting third to the left of Tahira? Who is sitting third to the left of Tahira? So here Tahira is there. Here Tahira is there. So first, in the first left Durga is there. Second left Ahana is there. Third left Manasi is there. So Manasi is sitting third to the left of Tahira. So option 1 is correct. Option 1 is correct. Okay, right. So I hope this question is understood. Right. Next question. Right. Next question. See the next question here. 6 girls decided to record a video of their talks on each separate day of same week. Each separate day of same week. Okay, Sunday will be rest day. Okay, you can write like this. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, like this. Right. See the question. Sunday is a rest day. Sunday is the rest day. Why? Because it is holiday in the question. Okay. P said Friday will shoot her. So in Friday, P is there. Okay, right. You here, P is information is here, see here. P said Friday will suit her. You will start the process and record on Monday. So here U is on Monday. Okay. S will record immediately before T. So S will record immediately before T. So S is before T. Okay, right. Q will record on the day exactly between U and S. So here U is there. Okay, here S is there, and we can write here Q is there. Okay, why? Because Q will record on the day exactly between the days of U and S. So here U is there. There is no possibility to write above on Monday. So we can write below on Monday. Okay, right. So right, very good. And so S is immediately before of T. Okay, and only one day is pending for whom? For R. So this is the that 6 girls decided to record a video talk. Okay, all right. See the question. What is the question? Okay, here one more information is there. T selected Thursday. So no need to that information. Without that information, we can allot T for Thursday. So what is the question? Which day is left for R to record the video? So only day for left for R is, that is Saturday. Okay, option 2 is correct. Option 2 is correct. Okay, right. Next question. See the series question is given. Which of the following numbers will replace the question mark in the given series? The series are 5, 13, 23, 49, here question mark is there. Okay, 193. Okay, if you see that here, what is the difference from here to here? So if you see that the difference is somewhat different, by looking itself we can say the difference is somewhat different. If you see that here, 5 into 2 plus 3. Okay, so 5 into 2 plus 3 we get 13. Next, 13 into 2 minus 3. So 13 2's 26 minus 3 we get 23. 23 into 2, okay, 23 into 2 plus 3. So 23 into 2 we get 46 plus 3 we get 49. So next number, 49 into 2 minus 3. 49 into 2 we get 98 minus 3 we get 95. In the question mark here 95 is there. So 95, check here, 95 into 2. So 95 into 2 we get 190, again here we get plus 3. So 193, yes, correct. So here if you see that, see here, into 2 plus 3 into 2 minus 3, okay, into 2 plus 3 into 2 minus 3 into 2 plus 3. Okay, so here what will come in the place of question mark? We get 95. We get 95. Okay, right. Next question. Okay, see the question here. Select the set in which the number are related in the same way as or the numbers of the following sets. See, the information note point operation should be performed on the whole numbers without breaking down the numbers into its constituent digit. Okay, so that is example 13 operation on 13, such as adding, subtracting, multiplying to 13 can be performed. So breaking down 13 into 1, 3, then performing mathematical options 1, 3 is not allowed. Okay, we should not break the number, just we can do multiple or square, whatever we get. If you see that here what is given here, so 1, 8, 3, if you see that here, So first number square, third number square. So third number square is 3 square minus first number square. So nothing but 9 minus 1 we get 8. 8 is the middle number. Okay. First number square minus third number square minus first number square, place the value in middle. Okay. And here third number square 5 square minus first number square 2 square. So 5 square 25 minus 2 square 4, we get 21. Okay. And which option will satisfy same condition? Check the option 1. 7 square first number, 7 square third number square is 7 square, first number is 4 square. So 79 minus 16, we get 63, 49 here, 49 minus 63, we get 33. So option 1 itself correct. Okay, 7 square 49 minus 16, we get 33. Option 1 itself correct. Third number square minus first number, you get the second number. Okay, if you see that here, third number square with the first number square, we get the second number. Third number square and subtract with first number square, we get the second number. Here also third number square subtract with first number square, we get the second number. Okay, right. Next question. See the question, next question here. Find the area of triangle whose sides are 12 centimeters, 12 meters they given, 12 meters, 14 meters and 16 meters. So whenever the sides is given, we have the formula. Okay, so they given the sides here, sides of triangle, they given sides of triangles are given. Okay, sides of triangle is given, that is 12 meters, 14 meters and 16 meters. So what is the formula when sides is given? Okay, so what is the formula when sides is given is area of triangle is equal to area of triangle when sides is given, that is a root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So what is s? S is equal to perimeter by 2. So that is 12 plus 14 plus 16 by 2. So here we get 30, 42. Okay, so 42 by 2 we get 21. So S is equal to 21. So area of triangle is equal to root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. S is equal to 21 into 21 minus 12 into 21 minus 14 into 21 minus 16. Okay, so root of 21 into 12, 21 minus 12 we get 9. So 21 minus 14 we get 7, 21 minus 16 we get 5. Okay, if you see that here, 21 is there, and you can write this is like 3 into 3 into 7 into 5. So if you see that here, so here here I am writing, so 21, and if you see the 7 3 is 21, 7 3 is 21 and 3 into 5 is there. Okay, so 21 square get cancelled, so So 21 root 3 5 is a 15. So okay, 21, okay, see here, 21 root 15 is the area of the triangle. So option 2 is correct. Option 2 is correct. Okay, right. Next question. See the question here. A motor car starts with a speed of 60 kilometers per hour and increases its speed after every 2 hours by 15 kilometers per hour. Okay, how much time will it cover a distance of 360 kilometers? So they given 60 kilometers per hour. For every 2 hours it increases 15 kilometers per hour. So no need to take any formula. Why? Because 360 is nearer number for 60 kilometers per hour. So first 2 hours 60 kilometers per hour into 2 hours we get 120 kilometers is completed. Next hour 15 kilometers increase, that is 75 kilometers per hour for 2 hours. Okay, for 2 hours it get 150 kilometers, and next we get again 15 means 90. So 90 kilometers hour into 1. Why? Because if you multiply we get 180, here 270 is there, it more than 360. If you see that here 90 is there, if you sum here you get 360 kilometers. If you see that 2 hours, 2 hours, 2 hours, so you get 5 hours. Option 3 is correct. Okay, option 3 is correct. Right. So these are the some questions which are asked in RRB Group D exam, which was the exam which was held on September 18, 2022 in shift 1. So in the live session, if you have any doubts regarding to the aptitude and reasoning questions, you can ask freely, okay, in comment session. In next live session, we will discuss some more questions regarding RRB Group D aptitude and reasoning questions. Thank you for watching.